Welcome to the Wall Street Systems PCS software training. This video will show you how to navigate and access to the most useful tools in PCS. Across the top of the screen, you will see the main tabs set up for your system administrator. Home. You will arrive here every time you log in. The very first time you log in, you will see only the Help and Support icon and the Build Home menu option. Here, you can customize your menu ribbon with the most popular tools and screens used in your organization by assigning shortcut keys for a faster access to them. Click Close and you will see the custom menu populated on the Home ribbon. Layouts. Here you can create custom layouts with the screens you use the most. For example, if you are usually working with some specific windows, you will click here to build a new layout. Select the monitor you want it to display in case you are using more than one monitor. Select the type of layout and drag the names for the windows you want to customize for this layout. Then click Save. Enter a name for the customized layout and click OK. From there, you can edit or remove the layout. When you click on your customized layout, you will see the screens you have assigned to the layout. To exit the layout, click the desktop icon. Lists contains company data that is used throughout Express. Click on any list to see a listing of your data or double-click on an item to view its details. You can update information or create new locations and assign them to your office. You can also create new locations for RRPs and update its information as needed. Dispatch. This tab includes all the tools you need to conduct dispatching operations grouped by type. Among the most important and used tools are the following. Dispatch Manager. Here you will find a list of all the loads that are booked, assigned, and moves in progress. Features access is designed specific to your line of business, meaning that the features allowed for intermodal freight are different than the ones for truckload. The Dispatch Manager window can be customized. Booked loads are dispatched in the top grid, and en route loads in the bottom grid. On the top of the screen, you can edit and customize filters to find a specific load information. Click the Edit Filters to create a new filter. Click New Filter, assign a name, and press Enter. Pick your office number and you can set this filter as default for a future use. Pick the grid you want to filter and customize it as you wish. Then save it. Close out of the filter windows and then your new filter will appear on the filter list. Use Clear Filter to go back to the default view. Columns can also be sorted ascending or descending by clicking the column headers. You can also type text in a specific header grid to filter data. Loads are ordered by date and time, all this at the top. So please pay attention to these loads that are on the top of the list since they might require special attention. The available loads are color-coded. Red for late pickup or late delivery, dark orange when the load is within 1 hour of pickup for delivery, medium orange when a load is within 1 to 2 hours from pickup or delivery, light orange when it is 2 to 8 hours out from pickup or delivery. The entire row highlighted on yellow means the load is dropped in transit somewhere other than the final consignee. Light gray, possible load may or may not be available and has not been booked. These loads cannot be dispatched until it is removed from possible status. Dark gray means load is in a pending status. Load is booked but not released for dispatch. This load is only viewable and controlled by the user who placed it in pending status. It cannot be viewed, accessed, or control the load by other users until the user that dispatched the load releases it. Blue. Load is reserved for a driver or carrier but not yet dispatched. Search dispatch. allows you to search for a specific load, truck, carrier, or piece of equipment. For example, searching a load number will open the load window with all the details of the load. Research dispatch. Here you can sort and find specific loads, arranging them by load, locations, dispatches, commodities, accessorials, containers, and chassis. You can also arrange columns, or typing in the grid will match data to your search. Book load will allow you to create a new load, whether it is intermodal, inbound, outbound, or crosstown, or a truckload. Imaging. Here you can view, index, and import documents in image files. Next, we're going to show you how to access to your training and support tools. The best and fast way to get help is by pressing the F1 key on your keyboard from any screen in Express, or click here to open the Express Help Library. Click Category to display related topics, and here enter a topic to search for. Then click to go to the page you need. This button opens a training video library which covers almost any feature in Express. Click here to connect to Express Online chat support, available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. These next buttons change how to open screen display: horizontally, vertically, or cascade. Then click here to close all open screens. If you are using two monitors, click here to expand your layout across both monitors. And click here to hide or show the ribbon menu. For extended information about all the dispatching tools and any other tools, please look up the PCS help and support, or contact us to speak with a representative. This concludes the PCS tutorial on how to use menus, customize views, update and research customers' information, loads, and equipment. Thank you for watching.